Hello, I'm Dr. Isabel Cumandra. Today I'm going to show you how to properly floss. So today I'm going to be using Glide Pro Health by Oral-B. It's a pretty good floss, especially if you have really tight contacts between your teeth. So the amount of floss you want, it's going to be about the length of your forearm, roughly. So you're going to take that out, take it off, and then you'll take the ends of your floss and you're going to slowly start wrapping it around your middle fingers. So it's wrapped around my middle fingers, and now I have a little bit of floss, to work with, and I'm going to be using my pointer fingers to control where I'm putting the floss. So let's start. I'll go through here, and when you go down in between your teeth, the best thing to do is you go down in between, then you hug one tooth, and then you hug the other tooth. So when you go down, you'll go either forward and then backwards, or towards the middle and towards the other side. Alright, so if you are like me and you have a wire retainer on the inside of your front teeth, you're going to need one of these to floss. So this is called an easy threader or a floss threader. So it's just a stiffer bit of plastic. So how you use it, it's actually almost like threading a needle. So you're going to take your regular floss, thread it through the hole, and then you've got this little piece of floss on that stiffer plastic, so that you can use the stiffer plastic to get it underneath the wire and pull it through the other side. Don't forget when you're flossing to get in between every single tooth contact. So what is a really good idea is if you start on the upper right all the way at the back, slowly go through each contact to the other side, and then go to the bottom and do the same thing from one side all the way to the other side, and even floss the back of your very last tooth. So you'll just go behind the last tooth, floss back there, and that's it. And flossing is recommended once a day, brushing twice a day, and there's other little tips and tricks as well with other flossing aids, such as a water flosser or those little floss picks, etc., that we can go over. Thank you so much for watching, and stay flossing.